Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief, start of a new trading week. We're on Monday the 9th of May 2022. Looking across the crypto markets today, and it doesn't look too pretty. It's a sight for sore eyes, especially been holding on to some longs, and in particular if you're leveraged long right now, surely you will have either taken out some exits or you will have or you'll be feeling some pain, I would imagine. Firstly, Bitcoin, where do we go? Well, Bitcoin is now broken below two very important trend lines. The first one, you had the most recent trending up channel that we've been talking about and referencing on this brief in recent times. And as you can see, that basically went, I think that was in the mid of last week, maybe Wednesday of last week. You got a strong close below, never was even able to retrace. It's just been a case of lower lows ever since then. And then you've broken below another quite significant long-term trend line. This is going back all the way from May of last year. And you can see this trend line basically giving way today and now threatening the low of the year. So that low from the 24th of, beg your pardon, 24th of January of this year, now under significant pressure. As you can see, sellers looking to push us below there. This is basically in line with a global risk off trade that we've been seeing since the open. You've seen the Aussie dollar getting smashed. You've seen equities moving lower across the board. And of course, that's why we're seeing Bitcoin moving lower too. Obviously, some leverage involved with the likes of BTC, and that can exacerbate moves. And the volatility certainly is a high beta asset basically versus the likes of the Nasdaq. So you're seeing some pretty sharp moves down. If this move continues, if this 33 area, basically the low of the year, does not hold, sharp moves down into 30k expected. That 30k round number will be where we'll be targeting from here. So 3,000 point move, and we could be seeing that this week. Again, might find a bounce here. If they do, then we can look to move back into and retest the trend line, which will come in around 33,800 today. How's Ethereum holding up? Continued series of lower highs. We talked about this in recent briefs. It wasn't looking great, especially as we kept on retesting the 3K handle, got rejected, and then since then haven't been able to see any sort of bid, especially over the weekend. Wasn't a great weekend. 2670, as you can see, that level's gone, and now we're trading sub 25. I was expecting some sort of pause at 25. Haven't even got that. So now it's a case of moving into the yearly low at where are we there, around 2300. So that's the next obvious site to the downside. Where we at on Litecoin piercing below some key key technical levels. The 100 handle just not holding. You see on the current daily bar a retest of 95. That got rejected despite that pin bar on arguably a pin bar slash doji. Then since taking out both them lows, it's been a lot of selling, so some stops obviously below here, plus taking out that low from the 24th of February, and now sinking much lower at quite a rapid pace here on Litecoin. Let's have a quick look at Ripple. 53.35. So 0.515 is the next area that I'll be targeting from here on. Ripple, as you can see, just falling off a cliff over the past few hours of trading, basically. Ripple being the leader in some senses along the ones that we've just discussed in terms of piercing below its current yearly low. So you can remember Bitcoin and Ethereum were holding up, but you can see Ripple taking out that low and now looks certain to head to that huge level that I just talked about. So around that 51 cents area is absolutely massive for Ripple, and it could be quite decisive in terms of where we go from here. So potential triple bottom, big double bottom last time at 51. Where to from here is the question. So if we continue to see some selling across the likes of equities, the Nasdaq in particular, continue to expect crypto to move lower. So it's well worth having a Nasdaq chart up, looking at some of the technicals. We do cover that inside the US session brief and inside our X chat room as well for those who want to get involved. I'll leave that there for now for everybody. If there's anything else, I'll post it inside the chat. Until next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.